Hey, I'm Rodos, the maker of QuickDocs, and now I'm gonna quickly show you how to create your first documentation. So create a new website if you haven't so let's head to our dashboard. Here we can see analytics of our website. We can also change the theme, so let's choose light green. You can also add project icon, and in SEO settings you can also add keywords and also upload your open graph image. So let's head to this test website, test documentation, and yeah, as you can see, it changed the theme to green. So let's head to Notion, and I'm quickly going to show you how easy it is to edit each page. So this is our introduction page. You can add tags, manage the status. If you change it to not started, it's not going to show up here. Yeah, as you can see, page not found because it's not published. So let's change it to published. You can also manage the description, last updated date, and slug. Slug is this part of the URL. So let's now add a test content. So let's add a heading, test. This is a test paragraph, and let's now refresh. And yes, as you can see, it's now under the Get Started category, and here is our test paragraph. So yeah, it is easy as that. So I hope it helps, and enjoy QuickDocs. Thank you.